This video will show you how to send a letter to multiple recipients by submitting one document, known as CC Comms. This is all facilitated by codes entered into the letter itself. The full list of codes for CC Comms and Portal Collect can be found in the written user guide on the Hive. This will also mean that for teams that are live with automated appointment letters, service users will also be able to receive all of their letters in a digital format once they have registered to the portal, known as Portal Collect. In this first example, we're going to send a letter to the service user as the main recipient and copy in their carer and their GP. Create your letter as normal, ensuring the address fits into the clear zone area. If you're creating your letter within Paris, the address will already be in the correct location. On the final page of your letter, start by entering copy to at the top of the page. This is so that EnvoyPost knows to search for additional recipients. You will need to follow this with the service user's NHS number, followed by the relevant code so we can attempt digital delivery and ensure we are sending to the correct person. You can make the text white if you don't wish the service user to see the NHS number again. We need to include the NHS number because this will link directly to their patient portal and ensure the right person is receiving the information. Before each additional recipient, you'll need to enter a code beginning with CC. You'll then need to put an open bracket, a hashtag, and the corresponding capital letter for the action, followed by the close bracket, and then the recipient details. Once you've entered all of your additional recipients, you'll need to add CC, open bracket, hashtag end, close bracket at the end of the document. This tells the system to stop looking and all the additional recipients have been listed. To help remember the code, hashtag PRP stands for Print Recipient Patient, meaning the service user is the main recipient of that letter. In this example, we're using P for print. The system will know to print and post letters to those with a hashtag P. The hashtag E means exclude. We enter the details for reference so that people know where the letter has gone. However, on this occasion for the GP, we've excluded as we've sent the letter via other means, for example, email. If you wanted to exclude the main recipient, the service user, from a copy in the post, start the CC Comms with copy to only and don't include the NHS number. In this second example, we're going to send a letter to the GP, but the service user is copied in. Again, on the final page of your letter, you'll need to start by entering copy to at the top of the page and follow this with the service user's NHS number so we can attempt digital delivery and ensure we're sending to the correct person. Enter the corresponding code followed by the service user's address in the usual format. You can then enter any additional recipients and addresses with the codes as outlined before. Once all addresses have been entered, you'll need to type CC hashtag end so the system knows to stop looking for other recipients. In this example, hashtag PCP stands for Print Copy Patient, meaning the service user is copied into the letter. You can then print to EnvoyPost as normal, review in the console and send to the provider. The letters will show as two individual documents in the archive once sent, as we excluded the GP. Please visit the Hive for further help and support videos and documentation.